Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a MyQ video keypad. Pretty easy to do. All you have to do is get a little Phillips screwdriver, a little small one. We're going to have to take the entire keypad off the bracket here, and then we'll just go and recharge the battery. So we're going to want to unscrew that. So we're just going to get our little Phillips here, unscrew this bottom screw. And then it should just pop off, just like that. All right, so we got our video keypad inside. What we're gonna wanna do is just pop off the back here. You see it's got this little slider, you just do that. And then there's a little tab here on the bottom. You're just gonna wanna pop the whole battery out there. And you can see our charger, it's not the USB-C, it's kind of this older one with the slanted corners. So we're just gonna have to find a charger, plug it in, and get that thing charging. So you can see, I've got it plugged in now. You can see the light is red, meaning it needs more battery. It's as indicated with this little graphic here. So once it's green, it should be good to go. It'll take a little bit to charge, but we're gonna leave this here for now until it's ready to go. All right, so the battery for the MyQ keypad is done charging. You can see the light here. You can see now the light has turned green. That means it's ready to go. It took several hours. I had to leave it overnight, so I'm not sure when it fully charged, but we should be good to go now. So I'm just going to take it off the charger here. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and take our battery here and just put it back in the door pad, the MyQ video keypad there. So it should just pop right back in, and then we're going to go ahead, grab the back plate, and it should just, we have our little tabs there. They should slide in there. And then should just pop right down in. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our little screw that was in the mount holding the keypad in place, and we're going to go and reinstall it. And you can see our light is back on. That means it's back, it's functioning again. So we should be good to go and go get it reinstalled. We've got our mount going here. What we're going to want to do is we're going to put the top in first. You can see it's got these, again, these little tabs. So we're just going to put the opening in first, just like this. So top in first, and then the bottom should just pop in because we're going to mount it from the bottom. Always a lot easier with two hands, but should be good to go. And then we're just going to put the screw in the bottom. We should be good to go, and we'll give it a test and see what happens. We got our MyQ video keypad reattached to the mounting bracket. So now what we're going to do is just test it, make sure that it's working okay, and we should be good to go. I put in my code. You should see the green light. And we can see that the garage door is now moving. So now it's all good to go. Hopefully this was helpful. Please let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or concerns. And remember to like and subscribe to Big Al Repairs.